Merry Christmas, everyone. We are currently looking at some possible freezing rain tonight into tomorrow morning, which could bring some travel impacts, especially if you're planning on traveling around midnight tonight or potentially tomorrow morning, depending on temperatures here. So, right here we have future radar here. The HRRR shows it not a lot of moisture on that north side, and most of it actually situated around the arrowhead around areas like Duluth and central Minnesota and northern Wisconsin here. Now this freezing rain it's going to bring up to a glaze of ice to a tenth of an inch, which may not sound like a lot, but when that accumulates on tree branches and power lines, that could cause them to fall over or break, causing further power outages. Because ice weighs a lot, so when you have that accumulate on certain stuff, it does weigh down it quite a bit. Most of that ice, currently the HRRR is showing it around northern Minnesota or northern Wisconsin actually. But northern Minnesota is not completely out of it. We actually do have winter weather advisories all along the I-94 corridor and north of the I-94 corridor here. So if you're anywhere, if you got that notification this morning, I believe it starts around 12 p.m. for northern Minnesota and then in 6 p.m. for central Minnesota into northern Wisconsin here. So just be ready, especially if you're traveling around midnight, which is not likely, but especially if you're traveling tomorrow morning. Really depends on what temperatures are going to be like, but definitely be aware of some possible ice, possibly up to a glaze to a tenth of an inch possible. So Merry Christmas everyone, and stay safe.